RallySimFans mod can now use the professional software MoTeC i2 Pro to analyze telemetry data. MoTeC is free for simracing use. Let's see how to configure it. Activate the advanced option in the ISF launcher and go to the telemetry tab. UDP telemetry is not needed to record MoTeC telemetry, but you can keep it activated at your convenience. Activate record telemetry data in a file only when you want to record telemetry data in this folder. The red rec warning will be displayed on the left side of the launcher. It is not recommended to keep this option enabled all the time because unnecessary telemetry data file may eat disk space in the long run. Select the telemetry data categories you wish to record. Note that car 3D motion and car map position must both be active to automatically generate the stage map. Make sure to activate all categories in order to display all charts in the MoTeC template. It's needed to activate MoTeC telemetry files to save telemetry in MoTeC format. Activate keep only MoTeC files if you are not going to analyze data with other software such as Excel or nuplot. Plain text data in TSV format will not be stored in the hard disk. The update interval must be set according to the purpose of the analysis you want to carry out, as shown here. Apply changes will save all settings. Download and install MoTeC i2 Pro 64-bit from MoTeC official website. Now it's time to install the workspace in MoTeC to be able to elaborate and plot RallySimFans mod telemetry data. Go to this folder and double-click it on this file, confirm to install the archive. Launch the game and play a stage to record telemetry data to be plotted in the next steps. Please note that telemetry data is also saved when you retire from a stage. This is useful to do a high-frequency recording for a short period of time and reduce the file size. You could move to a jump by PaceNote plugin, do the jump to be analyzed and retire immediately. Open MoTeC i2 Pro and click on Open Workspace. In the newly appeared window select RBR MoTeC V103. To plot data, click on the File menu, then click on Open Log File. Navigate to the Plugins, NGP, Telemetry folder and select a file. The stage map will be generated automatically, and you can see where you are on the map by moving the data cursor. It is also possible to connect a video replay that will be synchronized with the data. For this function, which is outside the scope of this tutorial, please refer to the MoTeC documentation. Note that the graphs are organized in tabs. Here we have two views of the driving style and a grip circle graph, showing how much grip is used. Here you can select other secondary workspaces that contain all the workabee nuplot templates organized by topic. Warning, in MoTeC it's easy to delete channels and the autosave feature doesn't help the newbie user. In this occasion doing backups is more important than usual. Being able to plot graphs is only the first step, learning to analyze data is the second step. The right place to ask questions and find a lot of information is the Discord ISF car setup talk channel frequented by workabee and other very skilled users. A big thank you goes to all members of the ISF team and in particular to workabee, without whose help it would not have been possible to set up the workspace MoTeC, and to Tortup who coded the data converter. On the official MoTeC website you can find many in-depth video tutorials, must see the one to learn to compare different runs. You could find it at this link or scanning the QR code.